Many homeowners like luxury vinyl plank flooring because it is sturdy and comes in a variety of pattern options. However, even the toughest flooring may get damaged, particularly if it is not properly maintained. There is no need to be concerned if your luxury vinyl plank flooring has scratches. The good news is that these scratches are typically simple to remove with the correct cleaning supplies and a little bit of elbow work. We'll demonstrate how to fix scratches on your luxury vinyl plank flooring in this post. Different steps to fix scratches on luxury vinyl plank flooring. Many homeowners like luxury vinyl plank flooring because it is sturdy, simple to maintain, and has a realistic wood look. Even the most resilient flooring, though, may get scuffed. If your flooring is made of luxury vinyl planks, you might be wondering how to remove scratches. You may repair scratches on luxury vinyl plank flooring in a few different ways. You may fix furniture with a touch-up marker, sandpaper and stain, or a putty knife and filler. Whichever method you decide to use, make sure the surface is dry and clean before you start. Your luxury vinyl plank flooring may be quickly and simply repaired if you put in a little time and effort. So let's quickly examine the various. Step 1. Clean the affected area. You must first grab a few supplies. A gentle soap, little water, and a soft cloth are required. A polish specifically designed for LVP flooring is also required. You can begin once you have all of the necessary materials. Beautiful and long-lasting luxury vinyl plank flooring is a choice for your house. But it can get scratched, just like any other type of flooring. A scratch may harm the appearance of your floor, regardless of whether your cat unintentionally scratched it or you dropped something on it. Fortunately, cleaning the affected area is usually all it takes to fix luxury vinyl plank flooring scratches. In most cases, you can simply wipe down the area with a damp cloth. If the scratch is deeper, you may need to use a mild abrasive cleaner. Once you've cleaned the area, the scratch should be barely visible. Step 2. Smooth the spot. Even in the case of flooring, aesthetics are important. On their luxury vinyl plank, LVP floors, nobody likes to see dings and dents. However, what can you do to solve the issue? The good news is that there are a few things you can do to remove the scuffs and restore the fresh appearance of your flooring. To prevent any potential trip hazards and to repair any significant scratches that could be present on the surface of the luxury vinyl plank flooring, it is crucial to smooth the location of the flooring. You may do this by applying a mild pressure and making uniform, smooth strokes with a palm sander. If the scratch is deeper, you may need to use a fine grit sandpaper to buff it out. Once you've smoothed the scratch, you can apply a touch-up kit to match the color of your floor and make the repair less noticeable. Step 3. Apply wax. Once you have smoothed the spot of your luxury vinyl plank flooring, you can now apply wax. There are a few different ways to do this, but we recommend using a high-quality, clear furniture wax. You can find this at most hardware stores. Apply the wax to the floor using a clean, dry cloth. Rub it in with a circular motion until the wax is evenly distributed. Then, using a clean, dry cloth, buff the floor until it shines. Waxing your luxury vinyl plank flooring is a great way to protect it from scratches and other damage. Plus, it will make it look like new again. Step 4. Replace deeply scratched planks. If your LVP flooring has scratches that are penetrated all the way through the wear layer, then you will need to replace the planks to fix the issue. Scratches that are only on the surface can usually be fixed with a touch-up kit or by sanding and refinishing the floor. To replace a plank, start by removing the damaged planks and then installing new ones in their place. Be sure to use the same type of vinyl plank flooring so that the new planks match the existing ones. To replace scratched planks, you'll need to 1. Remove the damaged plank. 2. Cut a new plank to size. 3. Install the new plank. 4. Finish the repair. Follow these steps to replace scratched planks and keep your luxury vinyl plank flooring looking its best.